So look dev team, we had about 9 to 10 people. So totally we had about 100 assets, which Tau had done. We had worked around a year plus on this. So this character called Portmaster, he's supposed to be like a big bad boss, and he's inspired by like a sea creature. So his face is very similar to a fish, and he even has that same kind of texture and that translucency, and he's like has that wet and slimy look. He has this very like a golden robe, broad shoulders, like huge built guy. I had to like start with a base mesh where the head is already modeled, and then we sculpt on top of it. We add a lot of details in terms of like how much pore details are there on the skin, all the lip details, all these details we add, and once that is done, we add a lot of texture details as well to bring out the character and how slimy he looks and how wet he looks. Yeah, so there's this one shot where the Portmaster, he takes a pearl and he looks at it, and it's a really close-up shot, and you can see all the details we have pushed onto the character in terms of texture and look dev and the subsurface. You can see how translucent the skin is. Like when you look at his ears, you'll be able to see that pink light just passing through that. So it's nice to see all the details come together. So I think one of the biggest challenge was to get his character in place. Like he had to look slightly mean, like his eyes, it had to give his character, as soon as you look at him, you should be able to relate to this character. So that was one of the biggest challenges. So even though his design is very like a fantasy creature, but you should still believe in him. So that was the biggest challenge. And the way he moves, or the way he moves his jaw, or way he blinks, those were the things which was a big challenge, and it made the character believable in the end. The lighting creates that mood of the scene, which is very interesting, and to have this character sit in that this whole orange lighting, it makes him look really good. And you also have this this candle flicker, so the candle will naturally flicker a bit, and we try to mimic that same kind of lighting on his face as well. Like if you can notice the shots, you'll see that light flickering slowly on his face. This makes him makes this whole sequence very interesting actually to watch. Another thing I want to talk about is his robe. It's a golden robe. It's like an ancient robe which is slightly more silk, and so we tried to get that feeling of that he's a very like a royal person, and he's someone who likes to collect treasures. That's what we also tried in trying to get that cloth, which has to look really royal. We made that that golden robe like shine properly, and it like when it moves, you can see that how that gold reacts to the light.